For more on what happened today, let's welcome to the show Florida gubernatorial candidate, the one and only Congressman Byron Donalds from House Financial Services. Congressman, it's great to see you again. What do you make of this historic $92 billion investment in Pennsylvania? It looks like Trump's pushing for the U.S. to beat China. You heard Interior Secretary Doug Burgum saying we're in an AI arms race, an energy race, too, with China and more. So what do you make of this?
Listen, I think this is great news. Once again, President Trump and his team are doing the absolute right thing for the future of our country. We have to be first in line when it comes to AI and energy dominance here in the United States. And this is a major step forward. If you're going to talk about how America is going to continue to lead economically into the future, it is about making sure that we win the race on AI with China. And it has many implications, some governmental, some business, but it's going to mean great economic growth prospects for the future of America. Major step in the right direction by President Trump.
Yeah, the president is saying he's getting $5 trillion in commitments to invest in the U.S. The Democrats have no answer to this. He's romping on a strong U.S. economy. He and First Lady Melania Trump are scheduled for a state visit with Great Britain's King Charles in September. You know, the NASDAQ today hit a new record high. Well, what do you make of the doomsday predictions, Congressman, from Democrats and the media on Trump's trade deals? Tariffs were not in the inflation number for June. Yeah, it came in at 2.7%, but core inflation still down 5 straight months. Milk, eggs, hotels, airline flights are down. Inflation is low in the two sectors really sensitive to tariffs, automobiles and retail apparel. What do you make of all this?
What I make is that, once again, Donald Trump's economic philosophies and economic policies are actually doing great for the American people, especially working class families, middle class families. When you look at the price of eggs, food, airline tickets, that hits the pocketbooks of everyday Americans. Couple that with what we did a week and a half ago, no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, basically keeping the best tax policy the United States has ever had, and bring all that together with the president's desire for energy dominance. I talked with the president and his team a couple weeks ago. We talked specifically about nuclear power, small-scale nuclear, modular reactors. This is the wave of the future, and the Democrats got to figure out what they want to do. Are they content with just throwing spitballs from the sidelines and then having no real policies that are going to impact the future of the country? Or do they want to work with us so we can actually modernize our electric grid, make energy and electricity prices cheaper for the American people, and then they can leave the differences in politics to another day? I would argue it's time for them to begin to work with us, and let's make sure we're putting the American people first.
Make bipartisanship great again. Byron Donalds, Congressman, it's great to see you again. Please come back soon. We love having you on.